In 1865, Maxwell conjectured that light was an electromagnetic wave, which is a propagating fluctuation of electric and magnetic fields. He was proven right in subsequent experiments. Towards the end of 19th century, physicists were convinced that light was a wave, but the certainty did not last too long. Experiments on black body radiation and on the photo emission of electrons suggested that the behavior of light had to be more complicated than that of a simple wave. Max Planck and Albert Einstein were the most prominent contributors to the resolution of puzzles raised by those experiments. In order to explain the features of photoelectric effect, in 1905 Einstein postulated that in a light beam the energy comes in quanta. That means the beam is composed of packets of energy. According to Einstein, light was made up of particles. Each particle carry a fixed amount of energy. Einstein himself found this idea disturbing, as Maxwell had shown that light was a wave. Einstein anticipated that a physical entity like light that could behave both as a particle and as a wave would require a completely new physical theory. Einstein was in fact right. His idea about particles of light, which later given the name photons, helped to construct quantum mechanics theory. But he never liked quantum mechanics because existence of photons implies that quantum mechanics is not deterministic. By this we means that the result of an experiment cannot be determined as it would in classical physics. Here we have to notice that concept of particle in quantum mechanics is slightly different from what we call a particle in classical physics. When we say that light behaves like a particle, we mean a quantum mechanical particle which is a packet of energy and momentum, which is not composed of smaller packets. It is not a classical point particle or Newtonian corpuscle, which is a zero size object with definite position and velocity. Energy of photon depends only on the color of light, as Einstein discovered E equals to h nu. It took physicists until 1925 to accept that light could behave like a particle. The experiment of Arthur Compton eventually convinced most skeptics. Also, Einstein did not comply with the concept of quantum superposition. Note that the concept of quantum superposition is different from the concept of classical superposition. In the famous Fifth Solvay International Conference of 1927, the world's most famous physicists gathered to discuss the newly formulated quantum theory. 17 out of 29 attendees became Nobel Prize winners. Unhappy with the uncertainty in quantum mechanics, Einstein stated the famous quote, God does not play dice. To which Niels Bohr said, Einstein, stop telling God what to do. Bohr was willing to accept the laws of determinism, but Einstein was not.